Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of the human body. It's got these systems like the circulatory system and the nervous system that all work together to keep us going. Get ready to be amazed by 20 astonishing facts about how our bodies work. We're talking about things like how many times your heart beats in a day. Spoiler alert, it's a lot. And how your bones are actually stronger than steel. So strap yourselves in, science fans, because we're about to embark on a fascinating journey through the human body. The human brain, that big squishy organ inside your head, is the command center of your body. It contains approximately 86 billion neurons, which are like tiny messengers that send signals throughout your body. These neurons allow us to think, learn, remember, feel emotions, and control our movements. Your brain is constantly processing information from the world around you, even when you're not aware of it. Your heart, that tireless muscle in your chest, is the engine that keeps your blood pumping. On average, your heart beats around 100,000 times a day. Each beat sends oxygen-rich blood throughout your body, delivering essential nutrients to your cells and removing waste products. So next time you feel your heart beating, take a moment to appreciate this incredible organ that keeps you going. Your lungs are responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide, a process we call respiration. If you were to spread out the surface area of a human lung, it would be roughly the same size as a tennis court. This massive surface area allows for efficient gas exchange, so next time you take a deep breath, remember the incredible design of your lungs. Blushing, that involuntary reddening of our cheeks, is a uniquely human experience. When we experience emotions like embarrassment or flattery, our sympathetic nervous system kicks in, causing blood vessels in our face to dilate. This increased blood flow gives our cheeks that characteristic rosy hue. While the exact purpose of blushing is still debated, it's thought to serve as a social signal, conveying our emotions to others. Our sense of smell is incredibly powerful, allowing us to detect a vast array of odors. The human nose can distinguish about 1 trillion different scents. This incredible sensitivity is due to millions of olfactory receptors located in our nasal cavity. From the sweet aroma of freshly baked cookies to the pungent odor of a skunk, our sense of smell plays a vital role in our lives. Our bodies are capable of an incredible range of motion, thanks to a complex system of muscles. The human body has more than 600 muscles, accounting for about 40% of our total body weight. These muscles work together to allow us to walk, run, jump, dance, and perform countless other activities. So next time you move your body, take a moment to appreciate the intricate network of muscles that make it all possible. You might think of your bones as static structures, but they're actually constantly being remodeled and renewed. The human skeleton completely renews itself every 10 years. This continuous cycle ensures that our bones stay strong and healthy throughout our lives. Ever noticed how your fingernails seem to grow much faster than your toenails? Well, it's not just your imagination. Fingernails are exposed to more sunlight, which stimulates growth. Our hands are generally more active than our feet, and this increased blood flow to the fingertips also promotes nail growth. The human body is a complex and highly organized structure made up of trillions of tiny units called cells. The average human body contains about 37.2 trillion cells. These cells are incredibly diverse, with each type specialized to perform a specific function. Together, these trillions of cells work in harmony to keep us alive and functioning. Your skin is more than just a covering. It's the largest organ of your body. It acts as a barrier, protecting us from the environment, regulating our temperature, and even producing vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. It's made up of 3 layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer, providing a waterproof barrier. The dermis contains blood vessels, nerves, and hair follicles. So next time you think about your skin, remember that it's a vital organ that deserves your care and attention. Our skin is constantly renewing itself, shedding dead cells to make way for new ones. Humans shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour. This process, known as desquamation, is essential for maintaining healthy skin. As new skin cells are generated in the lower layers of the epidermis, they gradually move upward, eventually reaching the surface and flaking off. So while it might sound a little gross, shedding skin is a perfectly natural and necessary process. The human eye is a remarkable organ capable of perceiving a vast spectrum of colors. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. This incredible ability is due to specialized cells in our retinas called cones. Cones are sensitive to different wavelengths of light, allowing us to perceive a wide range of colors. So next time you admire a beautiful view, take a moment to appreciate the amazing capabilities of your eyes. The liver is a vital organ that performs over 500 functions, including filtering toxins from our blood, producing bile for digestion, and storing energy. One of its most remarkable abilities is its capacity for regeneration. Even if up to 75% of the liver is removed, it can regenerate itself back to its original size and function. So next time you think about your liver, remember that it's a resilient organ with an amazing ability to heal itself. The stomach is a harsh environment filled with digestive juices that break down our food. To protect itself from these powerful acids, the stomach lining is covered in a layer of mucus. The human stomach produces a new layer of mucus every 2 weeks. This continuous renewal is essential for preventing ulcers and other digestive problems. So next time you eat a meal, remember the important role that mucus plays in protecting your stomach. You might not think of your bones as being particularly strong, but they're actually incredibly tough. Ounce for ounce, your bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. This remarkable strength is due to the unique composition of bone tissue, which is a combination of collagen fibers and calcium phosphate minerals. So next time you think about your bones, remember that they're a marvel of engineering, providing both strength and support. Sweating might seem like an unpleasant bodily function, but it's actually essential for regulating our body temperature. The human body has about 2.5 million sweat glands, which are distributed all over our skin. When our body temperature rises, these glands release sweat, which evaporates from our skin, cooling us down. So next time you break a sweat, remember that it's your body's way of keeping you cool and comfortable. While most parts of our body stop growing after puberty, our ears and noses are an exception. They're made primarily of cartilage, a type of connective tissue that continues to grow throughout our lives. As we age, the cartilage in our ears and noses can lose some of its elasticity, causing them to droop or sag. Saliva might not be the most glamorous bodily fluid, but it plays a vital role in digestion and oral health. The human body can produce enough saliva to fill 2 bathtubs a year. Saliva contains enzymes that begin the process of breaking down food, and it also helps to lubricate our mouths, making it easier to chew and swallow. So next time you swallow, remember the important role that saliva plays in keeping your mouth healthy. Our sense of taste is constantly being renewed, thanks to the rapid turnover of taste buds. Your taste buds are replaced every 10 to 14 days. This constant renewal ensures that we can continue to enjoy the flavors of our food throughout our lives. So next time you savor a delicious meal, remember the amazing regenerative power of your taste buds. Aspirin is a common over-the-counter pain reliever. But did you know that your body can actually produce its own aspirin? The human body can convert salicylic acid, a naturally occurring compound found in plants, into salicylic acid, the active ingredient in aspirin. So next time you reach for an aspirin, remember that your body is capable of producing its own natural pain relief. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning these amazing facts about the human body, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Remember, the human body is a pretty incredible machine. It's constantly working to keep us alive and kicking, and it's full of surprises. From the trillions of cells that make up our organs to the intricate systems that keep everything running smoothly, there's always something new to discover about the human body. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science.